In this video, AutoMods performed a stealth radar installation of an Escort Max CI360 on a 2018 Mercedes SL65. This system gives you defense against radar and laser, which are two methods of speed detection used by law enforcement. The Max CI360 comes with 4 laser jammers and 2 radar receivers. For the best protection, you should mount 2 laser jammers and a radar receiver on the front and rear for advanced radar warning and laser jamming. Plastic brackets were fabricated to correctly level and align the laser jammers on the front and rear of the vehicle for maximum performance. They were mounted using automotive double-sided tape, so no permanent modifications were made. This system comes with a display and controller to input commands and see alerts. Since this vehicle is a convertible, we didn't want to put it by the rearview mirror since it would be hard to see if the top was down. Instead, we decided to fabricate a trim panel for the controller and display to mount in the cup holder. Lastly, the color-changing LED was mounted in the gauge cluster trim panel as a second visual alert. Thank you for watching our video. This is Becky from AutoMods. Feel free to contact us with any questions and to learn more.